Hi friends, it's Sunday morning. I just woke up a little bit ago. Actually, I slept in quite a bit this morning. I took a shower, having my coffee. I opened up the advent calendar this morning, and the coffee pod was Intenso, which is one of my favorites. So I made it with some half and half and a little bit of that brown sugar cinnamon sugar-free syrup from Torani. It's delicious. It's like the perfect start to my day. So what's going on today? It's Sunday, like I said. Eric's coming home this morning. I'm very excited. I've missed him a ton. You know, it's funny, when I first told people that Eric and I were going to be working together when we took over the business, everybody was like, oh my gosh, I could never work with my husband. That would drive me crazy. But I absolutely love it. I love him to death, and I love spending time with him, and I still, after all of these years, miss him when I don't see him for even a few hours. So I'm looking forward to him coming home. We also are going to some sort of Christmas program today. I'm not really sure what it is. Austin got tickets to it for us from work when he was working at the apple orchard in the fall. They offered all of their employees tickets, so he got them. We're gonna take his girlfriend, so it's gonna be Eric and I, Austin and Kenzie. So that's this afternoon. Very much looking forward to it. Other than that, just kind of getting prepped and ready for the work week. It's back to work tomorrow. And of course, I'll take you guys along with me. These last couple of days of Vlogmas, I feel like have gone really well because I've been home and it's really just been me at home. So I've had tons of opportunities to vlog. Like, I don't know how interesting or exciting the vlogs have been, but at least there's been a lot of footage. I can't say that will remain true moving forward, because we've got that program today, and then it's back to work tomorrow, and then my time's going to be a lot more limited. So bear with me. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. I'm really enjoying sharing it with you. I'm going to go watch Blessed Jess. Her Vlogmas day 3, I think, just went up this morning, so I'm going to check that out, finish up my coffee, and I will check in with you guys a little later. So I haven't gotten a Stitch Fix box in probably about a year. But they sent me a free box, essentially. They gave me a credit. They're trying to lure me back in, I think. So I decided to go ahead and take the box. And we've got that Christmas program today, so maybe I'll find something in here to wear to that. I did sneak a little peek as to what they put in my box, and I wasn't super impressed just from the photos online, but things can often look different in person. So let's see what we got here. And this is probably not the best way to do this, just like trying to hold the camera, but we'll see. So the first thing here is a sweater, and it's sort of casual. It's got like a little drawstring here, a little hoodie, but it's pretty soft, and I actually like the colors. In the photo, this did not look as cute as it does in person. So that is the first item. I know you guys can't really see these very well, so I'll put up the little picture. It's from Letty and me. So that's the first item. Next up is a blue sweater. This is pretty too. This is also from Letty and me. It's okay. We've got some very squeaky doors in this house. Apparently we need to oil something. So you guys aren't going to be able to see this either. I'm going to put all the pictures of everything up on the screen. This is a little like mock wrap sweater. This is really pretty. This was the one item from the little sneak peek I did that I was actually interested in just from the photos. So that's number 2. There is a bomber jacket here. It's like a satin bomber jacket. I have a like leather bomber jacket. It's not leather, it's fake leather. So probably won't end up keeping this, but Looks like it's pretty decent quality. It's from Mocha. Everything is in a 3X, I believe. Yeah, it's just a satin bomber jacket. This was very expensive, if I remember correctly. So, most likely won't keep this, but that was number 3. Next up, there's a little polyester button up, which is probably going to be too small for me. Anytime there's anything that's like button up like this with no stretch, the arms are too small. So, I don't have high hopes for this fitting well. Plus, it's like leopard print. I have a ton of leopard print items already in my closet, so probably not going to be interested in this, but I'll definitely try it out. It's got little covered buttons. Did I say where this is from? Vero Moda. Never heard of that company before. And then lastly, in the bottom here are some red pull-on pants, which are very holiday appropriate. I think I did ask for items to wear for Christmas, so I feel like they did a pretty good job at that. These are just like a sort of like burgundy red color. They are by the brand Tribal, and these are a size 22. So we'll see how those fit as well. Alright, so here's outfit number 1. This shirt is absolutely massive on me. I don't know if it is just like I have lost a little bit of weight or if it's meant to be oversized, but it is not doing me any favors. It does fit around my arms. It's loose around my arms even. Obviously, I'm not going to keep this. This is not cute. Like, maybe if it fit better, it could be. It's not really my style anyway. None of the buttons are pulling or anything. Like, if anything, it's just way too big. The pants fit really well. Maybe even a little big as well here. They're ankle length. I like the pants. The top's a definite no. Okay, so this is item number 2. It's that wrap sweater. It's just a faux wrap. It's not gonna like come open. I like this a lot. It's very low cut. So if I decided to keep this, I would probably wear a little like camisole under it just for modesty purposes. This is a sweater. It fits pretty nice. I think it's pretty flattering. I don't think it goes with these red pants, but I actually like this one. Fits really well. If anything, it's also a little big, but it's closer to the body, so I feel like if I sized down, it would be too small. So that's that one. Don't mind this little thing I have going on my chest here. I've been wearing a heart monitor. I actually have to put it back on. My doctor wanted me to wear it for 14 days, and it's really tearing up my skin, which is why I did not put it back on yet, because I'm dreading it. But yeah, that is that one. I like this. Alright, so here is the next item. This is really comfy, cozy. I don't think it's necessarily super flattering. It's got the little hood, but it's definitely cute. Fits really well. I like the stripes. Like I said, I don't think it's necessarily super flattering, but with a pair of jeans, I think it could be cute. So that's an option. Obviously, it's all going to depend on price. So I said that the box was free. That's just the styling fee they waived, the $20 styling fee. Obviously, if I keep anything from the box, I'll have to pay for it. Again, doesn't really go with these pants. There's a better look at the pants. They're cute. I don't know how practical red pants are, so I probably won't keep these, but let me know what you guys think of the sweaters. Let me try on the jacket really quick, even though I'm definitely not going to keep that. Alright, lastly, I have this little satin bomber jacket. I'm sorry, you guys. I know that the lighting's not great and the background's distracting. I'm going to tackle this housework momentarily, but this is the jacket. It's fine. I have one that's very similar that's like pleather, so definitely not going to keep this, but it's cute. Let's check out prices of everything. Alright, and this, just for comparison, is my jacket that I already have. I guess it is different. The collar is a little bit different. This one is a button up. Robbie is really pushing for me to buy that satin jacket. He said it looks really great on me. I don't think I need it though. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, considering the fact that I'm trying to lose weight and it's going very, very, very slowly, but it is going down, I probably shouldn't buy anything. I have a lot of clothes, but leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Alright, so I'm looking at the prices on everything. The bomber jacket, $78. Definitely not getting that. The red pull-on pants, $58. Definitely not getting that. This the Vero Moda sweater, the black, black. Oh, that's got to be the loose, the blouse that was way too big. And it does say it's loose, so I guess it's meant to be that way. $52, definitely not getting that. And then the two Letty and Me items were the two items I was actually interested in. The hooded sweatshirt was $48, or a hooded sweater, I guess. And then the wrap style one was $54. So let me know what you guys think. I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything, honestly, but if I do, it'll be one of those two things, either the hooded pullover or the sweater, not both. So let me know which one you would get if you were me, or if you would just skip entirely. If I were to buy everything, which we know I'm not gonna do, would have been a total of $290. And if you buy everything, you get a 25% discount. So it'd be $72.50 off for a total of $217.50. Obviously not doing that. It was my 36th fix. Like I said, it's been about a year since I got a Stitch Fix box. So I'm glad I did it. Wasn't disappointed. Like I said, I didn't have a styling fee, so it didn't cost me the $20 to have the box shipped to me. If I return everything, it doesn't cost me a dime. So it was worth it to try out some new things. Let me know what you think. Alright, so I am all dressed and ready to go. I've got my little Anna Luisa earrings in, and we are just waiting on Eric to get home now. He's basically gonna walk in, and we're gonna have to turn around and walk right back out. This show that we're going to, what is it called, Austin?
What?
What is it called?
Glory of Christmas?
Glory of Christmas. That's what we're going to. It's supposed to be a really great show. So it's a bit of a drive, and we still have to pick up Austin's girlfriend. So yeah, he's gonna walk in the door. We're basically gonna walk right out and head there. Hopefully we're not late, fingers crossed, and it should be a really good time. Hi guys, so it was a vlogging fail today in a major way. We went and saw the Glory of Christmas, and it was incredible. So different than I expected. I had never heard of it. Apparently it's a very popular thing in our area, but it was so much holiday music, and there was dancing, and there was a live band. They had aerial silks and ice skating and like acrobatics, and there was fire juggling and everything. Like, it was incredible. So the first act was all like traditional Christmas music and performances. They had Santa, they had a big sleigh that flew in onto the stage. It was amazing. And then the second half, they did like the story of Christmas with the birth of Jesus Christ and all of that. It was so beautifully done. The music was incredible. There were so many talented people on stage, and it was just like 2 hours of amazingness. I absolutely love musical theater and live performances like that, so it was right up my alley. I absolutely loved it. The rest of the family liked it as well. And then afterwards we went to Chili's with one of Austin's friends, and his family was also at the show. They worked together, so we all got tickets from his employer. And so after that we went to Chili's. I had a margarita that was absolutely delicious. I had some fajitas, and I just didn't think to pick up the camera. So like, the first exciting thing that I've done since Vlogmas started, and I didn't vlog any of it. I am so sorry. But I will, I think they're gonna live stream this performance on Christmas Eve, and if I can find the link for that, I will put it down below, or if there's YouTube videos or anything about this performance. I am not going to whip out my camera in the middle of a performance and start recording. That just seems so rude, so I didn't, but I think there's probably some bits and pieces of the performance if you're interested in seeing what we saw. I'll link it down below. It was really incredible. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm so glad we went because we considered skipping it because Eric was on this hunting trip, but we ended up just like rearranging the schedule a little bit so that we could go, and I'm so glad we did. So I'm going to forego the rest of the advent calendars today. I'm exhausted. It's 8:30. We left the house at 1:30 and we just now got home. So I'm just gonna like take off my makeup and crawl into bed. I know this vlog was kind of boring. Wasn't much to it, but I will see you guys tomorrow with hopefully something a little bit more entertaining, although I am back to work tomorrow, so we'll see. Sorry about the background noise. Maple is playing with her ball. And Eric's home. Do you want to say hi?
Hello.
I'm so glad this guy's home. I missed him so much. All right, friends. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Maple.